half of the paperwork has been done, Pirk. Part defense attorneys, if you are planning to move forward with a plea this morning, please ask your client this one question, Pirk. Are they a resident of Bear County, Qui? I realize San Antonio is a very touristy city, Pirk. We get a lot of outsiders, Pirk, but if you plan to move forward with a plea, that paperwork has been sent over to the probation, and we do not know that your client is a resident of Bear County, there is a great possibility your client can be issued a violation, or perhaps even a warrant, and who needs that hassle at the beginning of probation, Qui? It's an easy solution, Pirk. This is America, Pirk. You can live where you want to live, Pirk. Perhaps you live in another county or even another state, Pirk. Perfectly fine, Pirk. Let your defense attorney know, Pirk. Let the court know, Pirk. That way I can make the decision. Still the case to be transferred to wherever the client resides, or I can allow them to report to probation by Zoom, Pirk. Par. Defense attorneys, if your client has an MTR on the docket this morning, besides speaking with one of the two ADAs, they must also speak to Mr. Ray Luna, sitting to my left, Pirk. He is the CLO, Pirk. Because it is an MTR, a motion to revoke probation, I do need the input from the probation department, Pirk. Defense attorneys, if your client has been arrested, just arrested, for at least 2 DWIs, that case is going to automatically be sent over to the DWI court, Pirk. That is a specialty treatment court, Pirk. I cannot order or mandate anyone into that program, but your client will be given an opportunity to be evaluated and talked to about what I consider red flags and issues of alcohol usage, Pirk. Your client will not be able to leave this judiciary able to say that no one tried to reach out to them or talk to them about what I consider red flags and issues of alcohol usage, Pirk. Par, besides presiding over County Court 12, I also preside over the mental health court, Pirk. That is the banner on the wall back there to my right, Pirk. Those are the 5 phases of the program to my left, Pirk. If anyone desires or wishes their case to be transferred to that docket, please get with Jessica, Pirk. Jessica can get that referral process started, Pirk. It doesn't even have to be that your client has ever been officially diagnosed with a mental health issue, Pirk. If they think they are suffering from PTSD, bipolar, severe anxiety or depression, schizophrenia, etc., that is good enough for us, Pirk. We will have them seen and diagnosed by a professional doctor, Pirk. I do run several dockets of mental health, one of the dockets being PTD, the pre-trial diversion mental health court docket, Pirk. If your client is deemed eligible for that docket, not only does your client's case get dismissed, it gets totally expunged from your client's record at no cost to your client, Pirk. I might add, defense attorneys, that as soon as that referral is made over to the mental health court, we do begin mental health court treatment right away, Pirk. We do not actually wait to see if the person is deemed eligible for the program, Pirk. Par. Defendants and defense attorneys, before you leave County Court 12 for the morning, please do not leave without a written copy of your reset. Pirk, I am going to reiterate this because it is absolutely mandatory. In my court, Pirk, do not leave my court without a written copy of the reset that the defendant and the defense attorney must sign, Pirk. Par, defendants, if you leave my court without a written copy of your reset, there is a great possibility I will issue a warrant. So I am going to reiterate this one more time, Pirk. Do not leave this court without a written copy of your reset, Pirk. Defendants, if your defense attorney does not give you your written copy, please come back and see the court and we will make sure that you have your copy, Pirk. Par, at this time, individuals who came in late or did not hear their name called, please line up right here at the gate, Pirk. My bailiff is going to help you out, Pirk. The court now stands in recess, Pirk. Everyone is free to confer.